All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff on this channel. Today we're going to be talking about FLOKI INU. Yep, another new coin, another new thing going on, FLOKI INU. We're also going to be talking about AMC is now accepting cryptocurrency at the movie theaters. You can pay with 4 different cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. So a little FLOKI INU and a little AMC accepting cryptocurrency. This episode should be awesome. It's a bonus one. We're bringing it to you tonight around 7 o'clock. So all kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person on the planet learn about cryptocurrency, understand it, own it, be able to track it on the charts. Are you using it? Do you have it on your MetaMask account? Are you buying it on Binance? What are you doing? Trying to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and head over to FLOKI INU. Over here at CoinMarket, FLOKI INU is ranked 2737. So take a look. Here's the FLOKI. 2737, FLOKI INU. It's a little Viking. It's got only 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, not 5, not 7, not 8, only 3 zeros. This token is up 9% in the last 24 hours, but it is down about 5% in the last 7 days. So we got a little down, a little bit up. But FLOKI INU, there's a lot of buzz going on this token. So taking a look over here to the right, it's up over, it was 9%, 8.54%. There's only 3 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 2527. This coin has absolutely ran up the mountain here, so it's going up and stuff. It came back down a little bit, but it's establishing itself at a new high than where it was, so that's pretty good. But it definitely ran up the mountain here. So what is FLOKI INU? It's a new crypto coin birthed by fans and members of the Shiba Inu community. FLOKI is inspired by the Doge father Elon Musk's very own Shiba Inu. Remember how Elon got that Shiba Inu puppy, FLOKI? Well, FLOKI INU is also a crypto project officially partnered with the Doge father's brother, Kimball Musk's Million Gardens movement, with whom we are working together to tackle food insecurities in the world. FLOKI is working on 3 flagship utility projects: an NFT gaming metaverse known as Valhalla, an NFT merchandising marketplace known as FLOKI's Place, and a content education platform known as FLOKI's University. So all kinds of good stuff. FLOKI combines utility and power of the community, aims to be a top 12 project. So take a look at that. This token, this project, it aims to be a top 10 project of cryptocurrencies and plans to kickstart the new crypto revolution. Holy, holy. Let's go ahead and jump over to FLOKI INU's website. Over here at FLOKI's website, take a look. Little FLOKI on the, he's a Viking. He's on the boat, and the boat's moving, and the moon's bopping and stuff. FLOKI is a crypto revolution you've been waiting for. FLOKI isn't an average cryptocurrency. It is the people's cryptocurrency. It's a movement. By combining the power of memes with the real utilities of charitable, FLOKI gives power and opportunity to the people, to the underdogs, instead of the venture capitalists and the hedge funds. FLOKI aims to be the most known and most used cryptocurrency in the world. I mean, that's a pretty big thing. FLOKI aims to be the most used cryptocurrency in the world. Holy, holy. FLOKI, FLOKI. Where can you buy FLOKI? Let's right over here to the top right. Buy it on PancakeSwap. So you click your PancakeSwap and you can go ahead and connect your wallet, connect your MetaMask, connect your wallet connect your Trust wallet or more. Pretty neat there. Also up at the top, you can buy on Uniswap. Connect your Uniswap basically tokens too. So you can buy it on Uniswap or buy on PancakeSwap. So again, we just kind of went over there how to buy your FLOKI. You can buy it right here on the right on PancakeSwap. You can also buy it on Uniswap, or you can buy it on Gate.io. We have some tutorial videos they have right here. Watch to buy on FLOKI for Ethereum. Watch to buy FLOKI BSC. So there's some tutorials on the website on FLOKI.com. You know, the 3 pillars of FLOKI. FLOKI is the people's cryptocurrency. And in fact, it reinforces the 3 pillars that indicated what FLOKI stands for. The meme, Floki meme. Our community loves and lives for memes. We are strongly believe that the only way to truly take cryptocurrency mainstream is to ensure mainstream adoption by leveraging the power of the memes. Utilities, that's important. And then also the university. So here's your three things. You got Vahilla, you got Floki's Place, and you got University. So Floki Inu, I mean, there's another Floki, another cryptocurrency that's new. This one is claiming to be a top 10 project. I mean, oh my gosh, guys, a top 10 project. If it's a top 10 project, you want to put this on your radar and be paying attention, because Floki Inu is going to definitely be going off the charts if it's a top 10 cryptocurrency project. What's my predictions? Well, there's 3 zeros right now. I think this coin's going to definitely get the 2 zeros. I don't see that maybe happening until after the first quarter of next year. All that information is for educational purposes only. But if you got the godfather of the Dogecoin and he's got a Shiba Inu puppy and he names the Shiba Inu Floki, and all of a sudden there's a cryptocurrency called Floki, I don't know. This may be one of the projects that just keeps going up, up, up. Will it go to the Mars, like Dogecoin Mars? I don't know. Will it go to the moon? It's definitely going to probably go to the moon. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about AMC accepting cryptocurrency at the movie theater. So AMC is officially accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum in the online payments, with Dogecoin coming next. So AMC has officially selected digital assets for online payments, according to the CEO. We are proudly now accepting, drumroll please, we are now accepting Bitcoin. You knew that one was happening. Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and last and surely not least, one of our favorites, Litecoin. Dogecoin is coming next. AMC Ethereum, the movie theater chain, beloved by many crypto enthusiasts, is officially accepting digital assets for online payments. Big news flash. As promised, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin are being accepted. Apple Pay and Google Pay and PayPal are now accepting the Dogecoin. The unveiling of the new model payment case came when Aaron tested the possibility multiple times in the past. He said in September he intended to have this in place by the end of the year, and boy, he's doing it. While Dogecoin is still in the works, the means for the online payment, AMC begins accepting last month for gift cards purchases of $200 a day using BitPay wallet, up to $200 a day. So that's pretty big, everybody. AMC is now joined accepting the cryptocurrency. You know, we got Tom Brady pumping the Bitcoin. He's giving away Bitcoins to fans in the stands to get his 600 touchdown pass. Awesome stuff. We got AMC accepting cryptocurrency. We got Burger King having a giveaway with cryptocurrency. They're giving away 3 cryptocurrencies all the way to I think it ends November 21st, so we still got a few more days of that. All kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. FLOKI INU. I mean, you like it? You don't like it? Well, Elon Musk himself got a Shiba Inu puppy. He named it Floki. All of a sudden, months later, there's FLOKI INU. And it's, again, the Shiba Inu community is favoring the FLOKI Inu because, again, they're kind of like cousins and stuff. This is a bonus video we wanted to bring you today on Saturday. Everybody have a fantastic day. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And we'll see you again tomorrow on Sunday.